Once upon a time, in a small town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a man named Dosbol. Dosbol was an ordinary person, leading a simple and a content life. However, he was about to discover the true meaning of friendship and the incredible impact it can have. One sunny day, while strolling through the local park, Dosbol stumbled upon a lost puppy. The little pup was scared and alone, but Dosbol's kind heart couldn't bear to leave it behind. He decided to take the puppy home and named him Kutzhol. As the days turned into weeks, Dosbol and Kutzhol formed an unbreakable bond. Kutzhol became Dosbol's loyal companion, always by his side through thick and thin. They would embark on countless adventures together, exploring the world around them and creating memories that would last a lifetime. Joel had a unique ability to bring joy and happiness into Dosbol's life. Whenever Dosbol fell down or faced challenges, Joel would be there, wagging his tail and offering comfort. Joel's unwavering support and unconditional love became a source of strength for Dosbol. But it wasn't just during tough times that Kutzhol proved to be a remarkable friend. He also celebrated Dosbol's successes and achievements with genuine enthusiasm. Whether it was a promotion at work or a personal milestone, Kutzhol would jump and play, expressing his excitement in the most adorable ways. Dosbol realized that he was incredibly lucky to have such a good friend in Kutzhol. Their friendship taught him the value of loyalty, compassion, and the importance of being there for someone. Kutzhol's presence in his life made every day bright and filled with laughter. As the years went by, Dosbol and Kutzhol grew older together. Their bond only deepened and their love for each other remained unwavering. Kutzhol had become an integral part of Dosbol's life, a true friend who had touched his heart in ways he never thought possible. As the years passed, Dosbol and Kutzhol's friendship continued to flourish. They became well-known figures in their town, with their heartwarming stories spreading far and wide. People admired the deep connection they shared and often sought their advice of friendship and companionship. Inspired by their own experience, Dosbol and Kutzhol decided to give back to their community. They started volunteering at local animal shelters, helping to find loving homes for abandoned pets. Dosbol shared his story of finding Kutzhol and encouraged others to consider adopting a furry friend. Their effort touched the hearts of many, and soon the town saw an increase in pet adoptions. Dosbol and Kutzhol's influence extended beyond their immediate circle, positively impacting the lives of countless animals and their new owners. News of their charitable work reached the ears of a renowned author, Dina, who was captivated by their story. Intrigued by the power of friendship, Dina approached Dosbol and Kutzhol, proposing to write a book about their extraordinary bond. Dosbol, humbled by the opportunity to share their story with the world, agreed wholeheartedly. Dina's book, titled Unbreakable Ties, became an instant bestseller. It touched the hearts of readers worldwide, inspiring them to cherish their own friendships and embrace the unconditional love that animals offer. Dosbol and Kutzhol became symbols of hope, reminding people of the profound impact a true friend can have on one's life. With the book's success, Dosbol and Kutzhol embarked on a book tour, visiting schools, libraries, and community centers. They shared their experience spreading the message of friendship, empathy, and the importance of adopting pets. Their presence brought smiles to countless faces, and they became beloved figures in the hearts of many. Throughout their journey, Dosbol and Kutzhol remained grounded and true to their values. They never forgot the humble beginnings of their friendship and the simple joy they found in each other's company. Their story became a testament to the power of genuine connections and the transformative effect they can have on individuals and communities. As the years went by, Dosbol and Kutzhol's legacy lived on. Their story continued to inspire generations, reminding people of the incredible blessings that come from having a good friend. Their tale became a symbol of hope, resilience, and the enduring power of love.